Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Ọlá kó fàyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba.
Draw a love logo. Draw a love logo like this. A love logo. Draw a love logo with red pen. A love logo. Draw a love logo. Then you will write your name. For example, Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. I'm just using that for an example. Don't write my name. You will write your own name. If you want to draw the heart of your husband or your wife, you want to draw her heart or his heart to love you more than any other thing. You don't want those girls outside to steal your husband. You don't want those girls outside to steal your husband or to snatch your wife. So you will write your name. First, write your name in the middle of love logo. I think you can see it. Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. Don't write my name, unless if you want to marry me. Just write your name in the middle of the love logo. Then you will now write your lover's name on your name. I think you understand what I'm saying. Write your name, then write your lover's name on top of your name. Like now, Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. Let's say Aishat Suleiman. I think you see it. So you will write your name. First, write your name and write your lover's name on your name. Don't separate it. Don't write your name here and you write your lover's name. Just write it on it, but make sure that you write your name first. Beware of that. Please be careful. Just write your name and write your lover's name. If another woman or another man is trying to steal your woman or steal your man, and you want to draw his heart or her heart to only you, you don't want him or want her to look for any other woman outside or to look for any other man outside. So I will advise you to try this tip. It's very simple and very effective. Very effective. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Baby Winje. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload to this channel, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me. Please, you are free to call me if you don't understand. Please don't mind those people writing their numbers on my comment section, telling you this and that. I'm not Mr. Odu. I'm not Mr. Oluwafemi. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. Don't mind them. Even some are using my profile picture. They will ask you to message them, message their number, message their WhatsApp number. I don't know them, please. If you have anything privately to discuss with me in a professional level, you can message me through my WhatsApp 0905333247. Or you have something to discuss with me, you can call me on 0703742252. So as I was saying today, I want to explain how to use love logo. If someone try to steal your love and you want to draw his or her heart to only you, you don't want him, you don't want her to be snatched, just try these tips. Very simple and very effective. Yes, I've done it, and 99%, 99%, but it can work perfectly if the distance is not too much between you and your husband or between you and your wife. If the distance is not too much, like now, if you stay in Nigeria, your love is stay in Nigeria, or you stay in Lagos, your love is in Lagos State. You stay in Abeokuta, your love is in Abeokuta. You stay in London, your lover is in London. So it's very, very effective if the distance is not too far. So you will draw a love logo. I think the way you see it here with red biro. Don't use black biro. I don't have red biro here. That's why I use black biro. Then you draw a love logo like this. I think you can see it. I think you can see it. Then you now write your name, your own name, not my name. Oh. Write your name. If your name is Folashade Oma Asunke, you write Folashade Oma Asunke. Folashade Oma Asunke. Let's say this is the love logo. I think you can see it. This is the love logo. Then write Folashade Oma Asunke. You write Folashade Oma Asunke. Then you now write your lover's name. You know I told you your name. You will write your name first. Then you now write your lover's name. Let's say your lover's name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. Say you now write Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye. You write it on it, but you know when you write it, it will look like this, but don't mind. Just make sure that you write the name. Write the name. Then after that, you now fold this paper. You fold it like this just once. You fold it like this. I think you are with me. Have you seen it? Just fold it like this. Then now use nail. So if you can't find nail over there, you can use needle. You pin it together. I think you see it. Have you done that? Yes. You pin it together. Then you now say. So after. Then you now say. Face to face. That is what you are going to say. Face to face. Heart to heart. You will repeat that. You repeat that statement 3 times. Face to face, heart to heart. You and I will never part. You and I will never part. You and I will never part. Your love is mine. Your love is mine. Your love is mine. My love is your. My love is your. My love is your. Then after that, please don't remove the nail. Don't remove the nail. Just leave it as it. Then you now go and throw this thing inside river. Just like this. Like this. Go and throw it inside river. Just leave it. Leave it and go. Throw it inside river. That's all. That is how to do it. It's very, 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 very effective. Honestly speaking, 99%. So that's all. That is how to use it. Èyí tí mo wá lè ní bí a ṣe ń lo love logo láti fi pe olólùfẹ́ wa èyí tí ó fẹ́ fi wálẹ̀ lọ àbí èyí tó tiẹ̀ ti lọ àbí èyí tó ti lọ ẹ jẹ́ kí a ya àwòrán yìí bí mo ṣe ṣàlàyé lẹ́yìn wa àwòrán lọ́ọ̀fù ẹ jẹ́ ká yà báyìí sínú pépà funfun ẹ wá jẹ́ kí a kọ orúkọ tiwa tá a fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn sí yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ orúkọ wa sí abẹ́ sí inú love logo yẹn orúkọ ẹni tí a fẹ́ ṣe sí yẹn jẹ́ ká kọ́lé lórí ká dàrú ká kọ́lé lórí tá a bá ti wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tán ẹ jẹ́ ká fold pípa ẹ̀ báyìí tá a bá ti fold lẹ́ẹ̀kan péré la máa fold ẹ̀ ìṣó yìí wá jẹ́ ká fi gún òye tá a bá ti wá fi gún kí a wá repeat statement mo sọ ní èdè ti Gẹ̀ẹ́sì yẹn ní tí a bá fẹ́ translate èdè yẹn sí èdè Yorùbá a máa sọ wípé ojú mi rèé, ojú tiẹ̀ rèé, ọkàn tèmi léyìí, ọkàn tiẹ̀ leléyìí. Èmi àti ẹ a ní yára wa láíláí. Èmi àti ẹ a ní yára wa láíláí. Èmi àti ẹ a ní yára wa láíláí. Ìfẹ́ tiẹ̀ tèmi ni. Ìfẹ́ tiẹ̀ tèmi ní í ṣe. Ìfẹ́ tiẹ̀ tèmi ní í ṣe. Tí tèmi náà tiẹ̀ ní í ṣe. Tí tèmi náà tiẹ̀ ní í ṣe. Tí tèmi náà tiẹ̀ ní í ṣe. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn tá a bá ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tán, kò ní ìdí dandan ká pe orúkọ ẹ̀, ó ti wà níbí, ó ti dà, á ti kọ́ sínú ẹ̀, kò mí nì. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ju kíní, ẹ má jẹ́ ká yọ èso yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ jù sínú odò. Pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run, ẹ máa fún mi ní good testimony lórí ẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní jù báyìí lọ, èmi náà lọmọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, tọmọ tí Ọlátíbóyè tí ayé mọ̀ sí Oúnjẹ. Tó bá dìgbà míì, á tún mọ́rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sí ilé wa. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílẹ̀ kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mìíràn àti ṣàtìyí tá a ti ṣe, torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Ó dàbọ̀.
Ẹgbẹ́ ewé ń jẹ iwájú ṣáni tí tàwa, Ọlọ́run ló dé wa láyé yìí, ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣológun ló wà lẹ́ṣà, ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. Alright, èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátíbóyè yìí, president ti a ní. Èjì rẹ̀ o, wíríwírí lójú orogún